alert. Your holiday plans might be at risk. Stay tuned for critical travel updates. The FCDO has issued urgent travel warnings for Cyprus, Morocco, Dubai, Turkey, Tunisia, Bahrain, the UAE, and Egypt. Hostilities between Israel and Lebanon are escalating and could impact these regions. In Thailand, heavy rains and flooding pose serious risks, especially in the northern regions near Chiang Mai, and the south near the Malaysian border faces terrorist threats. Travelers to Turkey, Tunisia, and Egypt should be aware of potential protests and demonstrations. These can turn violent quickly, with police using tear gas and water cannons. For the latest updates, monitor the FCDO travel website and follow their social media channels. Stay vigilant and stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe. Check all advisories before you pack your bags. Your safety is the top priority.